How do you see machine learning and artificial intelligence impacting the way that you help clients?
So I think that if you find a way to keep that experience at that level that it already should be, and you can make it at the same level or better, then you should use it. I think you can find ways to automate the routine and use some of that on the back end for workflows, the if then statements. You can do AI summaries where it's instead of having a 2 minute or 4 minute wrap up conversation where they're typing the notes. I think you can use a lot of that generative AI to do some of those wrap up codes, and it takes 5 seconds, and they review it real quick, hit submit, and go to the next one. I think there's a lot there. I feel like inside chat, they can have a conversation. You can build in the knowledge bases and work through that. And one of the keys with chat is that what I always get frustrated with, if I'm interacting with an organization, I'm on chat and they say, did I solve your problem? And I'm like, no, representative, right? Manager. If I'm on the call, yeah, I'm hitting zero as many times as I can, right? There's all sorts of things you can do. But if you get to finally a human being and they say, "Hey, what's the street grew up on? What's your mom's maiden name? What's the last four of your social?" And they're like, "Great, how can I help you?" And I'm like, "Listen, dude, I just talked to your bot for 5 minutes, and here's all of the context, and I know that technology is available because I can sell it. Now you're asking me to repeat myself, and you're wasting my time. So now I just get frustrated, and I'm not solved on the channel of my choice, and now I'm going to another human being that doesn't understand the conversation." I think technology and AI would be a great way to transition that conversation to that next channel. I don't think that it should be. It's not ready yet. Unless it's self service. I want to reset my password. I want to check my balance. You can do a lot of that with AI.
Mm.
I think there's always going to be a human element. And especially with high issues, if somebody's responding, wanting to pay off their balance or there's a death in the family and they're trying to file a claim, you don't want to have AI in that, right? You want to have that empathy in the moment
Yeah.
and have the human being involved.